This is the Mode Loop TKL in the Penrose colorway, dressed in the GMK Space Cadet 2 blue base keycap set. The Mode Loop was released as a limited run but to a mixed reception given the price, which was $599 for the top tier model. This Penrose model is a bit more budget friendly at $359, I just had to settle for the pink accent and external weight, which wouldn't have been my first choice. Under the hood on my build you'll find a 1.6mm non-flex cut PCB, and God bless Mode for that because it's an important factor in being able to run the keyboard without foams. It's a hot swap south facing wired only PCB without RGB. For the plate I went with aluminium as I'm enjoying a clackier sound profile these days, and I've run with a completely foamless build. The stabilizers are Durock V2s lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0 and dielectric grease, and the switches are factory lubed Gateron Cream Sodas. Mode have used a Lattice block mount similar to the Mode Envoy, but these are much more substantial and with some different blocks for altering the firmness, with the bottom of the blocks giving the typing feel and the top force breaking the case for reduced resonance. It has 4 blocks at the back and 3 blocks at the front, leaving the spacebar without a block to soften up the feel a little. It's a very pretty TKL made of lots of separate CNC parts with the case, split ring piece, accent and external weight, and while it's another unique design from Modes, especially with the softer and more rounded look, it does maintain the Mode aesthetic, which I absolutely love. The Loop isn't all looks and no substance though, as it's a glorious typer, but that is coming from a huge Mode fan. It's always nice when you can run any keyboard foamless, but especially the bigger layouts, and while it sounds a little airier than Mode's other keyboards like the Envoy and the Sonnet, it's not hollow or any worse than the aforementioned boards, it's just different. The Loop is a welcome addition to my collection, and while this was a limited run, I hope to see it become a staple so I can get hold of a different colour accent and weight. Have a listen for yourself.